Good morning from the cloudy coast this morning. I'm going to challenge myself today. Hopefully the rain doesn't come. There's showers coming around us, is showing up on the radar here, and I think I might be okay. But anyway, going to challenge myself this morning or today to just 5 watts SSB QRP. And now's the time to do it. I'll tell you why. You might say, yeah, summer. Nah, yes, now's the time, because today, big event, the IARU HF World Championship starts in about an hour. Along with that is the WRTC, the team, the 2026 team. It's like the Olympics of ham radio. All that's getting ready to go on. So trust me, people want to hear me today and pick me up. So here I am on the beach in Virginia Beach. All I'm going to use is just 5 watts. I have my FTX1 that I turned from 6 down. I took the RF down a watt. 5 watts SSB QRP here on the beach. I'll show you what I'm going to use. We'll get it set up, and I'll show you why I think days like today are the best days to go QRP, to really challenge yourself as an operator, putting things together and make things happen, getting to the right locations and operating. Today's that day for me. Let's see how many hopefully DX contacts I can make with just 5 watts SSB with my Yaesu FTX1. Stick around. Okay, set up. Here's my very simplistic setup, but I love it. I do have my lawn chair here, and there it is, the Yaesu FTX1 with its own battery, running on its own battery. Behind it there, you'll see I do have an antenna tuner. I'll tell you why I'm using that in a minute, but the ATU 100. So there's the rig, there's the bag I brought everything down in. New bag I got, really cool. That's a shaving kit, basically a tactical shaving kit that I found that bag, and in honor of where I plan on going with the little flag on it. Pretty cool. That's what I keep in the FTX1 in now. So there we go. I'm using the just a quick, like 5 meters or 18-ish feet. This is the Res Scout, the 4-to-1 X-Form, and the compact 17-foot C telescopic whip. Yes, I do have also a capacitance hat at the top. So people ask me, why don't you just pull the 4-to-1 off and use it as a resonant? Well, especially today, contest going on, I can jump around at 17.5 or 7.5 feet with a 4-to-1 under it. I can jump around 15, 10 if it opens, doubt it. Maybe 17, 12. Just hit the tuner and go with the 4-to-1 on it. It gets it close enough where you can tune it. Also, counterpoise wires here. I have 2. I'm using the Res 10 meter long counterpoise wires, and one, as you can see, there's just 2 of them. One going right there. That's looking about 280 degrees, which is in the direction of Australia. But anyway, right here by this is the Chesapeake Bay. People always go, that looks like a lake, not the ocean. It is kind of the Chesapeake Bay, but that's the Atlantic right there, and it's just opening up. That's called Cape Henry. That cape kind of protects this beach. It's what makes it so attractive for me. The other thing is, this is one of the only beach basically in Virginia Beach that's, you got salt water to the west, and great circle-wise for me to make contacts over to the South Pacific. The Great Circle goes kind of west, a little northwest actually, and then circles back down around to Australia and New Zealand. So there you go. That's everything. Challenging myself. This contest kicks off. I should really start hearing people, but with my Yaesu FTX1, let's get to work. Kilo 4 Oscar Golf Oscar portable QRP.
Wait, a QRP station, a QRP?
Yes, this is Kilo 4 Oscar Golf Oscar portable QRP in Virginia Beach. 5 watts there, my friend.
Yeah, very good. Kilo 4 Oscar Golf Oscar QRP. Thank you for calling with the QRP. You are 4x4 in central Japan, near Tokyo. Name is Yutaka, Yankee Uniform Tango Alpha Kilo Alpha. Yutaka is my name. We met before 2 years ago. With not in QRP at the time for you. How copy? This is Japan Hotel 1 Golf Echo X-ray, over.
Yes, great copy. You are 10 over. 5x9, 10 over. Name here is Walt Whiskey Alpha Lima Tango. Thank you so much for taking my call there, my friend. Wonderful signal here to the east coast of the United States.
Oh, very good work. Thank you for a very good signal report. Where are you located? What's your state?
I'm in Virginia. Virginia, on the southeastern coast of Virginia there, my friend.
Okay, you're in Southeast Virginia. Thank you for a nice contact with the QRP. Oh, and please say how much power are you running now? Over.
5 watts, just 5 watts here.
Congratulations on your good signal with your 5 watts. 5 watts. Beautiful signal. Yes, congratulations. Thank you for a second QSO. See you again and enjoy the QRP operation. Kilo 4, Oscar Golf, Oscar QRP 5 watts. This is Japan Hotel 1, Golf Echo X-ray. Good morning, Lord. Over.
Yes, thank you so much there, my friend. Thank you, Utica. Have a great, great evening, Saturday evening there in Japan. And good morning from the USA. 73, my friend.
Yeah, thank you very much. Arigato. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Yes! Yes!
W4.
That was absolutely epic. Epic for me. 5-watt QRP to Japan. First time ever. First time ever at that low power. I've made other Japan contacts, but they've all been 100 watts. Holy cow, this what a, and the contest hasn't even started yet. I got like 25 more minutes to go before the contest start, but what a way to start, man. Oh, I am so happy. I'm thrilled. Well, disaster. You see that dog right there? Not worried, a little worried about the rain, right? The dog ran up to say hi to me, shook off, and shook all the water off that he had on him. I gotta dry that off. Oh my God. Hey, things happen when you're out portable, right? I gotta get this thing dried off. Okay, took the shirt off and dried it off. I think everything's fine. But yeah, you can see here where he came and greeted me and then just decided to shake off. I guess I love dogs. He can't help it. He's having the day, and this is his beach as much as it is mine. All right, it is like right now, it's time for the contest to start, so the waterfall is starting to light up. I love this radio. I really do. And yeah, things happen. Let's get going.
600 Quebec. Papa 600 Quebec.
Kilo 4, Oscar Golf, Oscar. Kilo 4, Oscar Golf, Oscar. Kilo 4, Oscar Golf, Oscar. Kilo 4, Oscar Golf, Oscar.
W9 November Zulu, low 5928, 25904.
All right, 20 meters is a train wreck. Let's give the 15-meter band a try, and that's why that antenna is so good to just leave it up, hit the tuner, and go. Let's try 15 meters because 14 megahertz, 20 meters is just overwhelming right now, and I'm getting nowhere. Let's try this out.
Give me a call again.
Kilo 4, Oscar, Germany, Oscar.
Okay, 4 Oscar, Germany, Oscar, 59, Bravo, Fox, Radio Alpha.
You are 5908.
Thanks, Lima Zulu 0, Hotel, Quebec.
Kilo 4, Oscar, Golf, Oscar.
Kilo 4, Oscar, question mark. Again.
Kilo 4, Oscar, Germany, Oscar.
Kilo 4, Oscar, Golf, question mark. Please again your suffix.
Yes, Kilo 4, Oscar, Golf, Oscar. K4OGO.
Okay, Kilo 4, Oscar, Golf, Oscar. You're 5927.
You're 5908.
Number 8.
QSL.
Okay, thank you. Good luck. Oscar, Romeo 4, Tango.
Okay, an absolute struggle. Fun, but I'm going to do something now. I did have the battery in the bag. I forgot that it was in there. It hasn't been charged, but we'll see. I plugged it in, and now we'll take it up to 10 watts, really where I should be for SSB, because the 5 watts, although I made an amazing couple contacts, we're going to go 10 watts now and give it a shot. And the clouds, everything seems to be holding up. It's a great day. I mean, there are people on the beach, but not many, and I'm not being bothered by people. Dogs, different story, but hey, God bless the dogs. All right, let's see if 10 watts makes a difference. I love that part of the world for sure. Have a great day there, my friend.
All right, well, very good. Well, again, you're doing remarkably well with the 10 watts over S9. Just incredible what you can do. 73, enjoy the balance of your day. We're just getting started here. K4OGO from WA1GZY in Jack's Beach.
73. Wow, that was a lot of fun. Whew, humidity, it's getting hot. Had to get off the beach. It was good. I was down there an hour and a half, maybe a little bit more, maybe an hour and 45 minutes. So it was good to challenge myself. I'll tell you, it was early. I wasn't getting into Europe. It was hard, especially with the 5 watts. As soon as I went up to the 10, everything, there is a big difference. I just experienced it and could tell. From 5 watts SSB to 10 watts SSB QRP. 10 is a major difference, and but the challenge and pushing my skill set or whatever you want to call it, I know everyone's gonna go, you got the salt water. That's the idea. If you're going to be QRP, you find it could be a summit, it could be anywhere, it could be a place with no noise around it. Antenna wise, I mean, I have a buddy hex. I will probably do, I don't know if it'll be here, but maybe somewhere away from water. I'll do some QRP with the buddy hex once I get it up and running and start using it. Kind of waiting for autumn to get here, get a little bit cooler, less people around. Really want to get out on the beach with that. I can't wait. Looking forward to it. But man, it's always about that one big contact you make when I'm out in the morning like that as a DXer. And I was like almost done for me right after I did the first one, that Japan contact at 5 watts. Wow, that was just what I live for. It really is. It's really cool. And the radio, I love it. It's definitely, people will talk to me and they said, well, you've had the X6100, you've had the X6200. Why'd you get that? Dude, with both of those Zygus, I had to have a speaker, and even with an external speaker, not that great. I don't know how it comes out to you in the film and the camera here, but the sound quality on the FTX1, oh my God, night and day. It is the best sounding portable radio outside in the elements that I've ever owned. I love it. So it's a staple right now. I'm gonna quit saying it's my go-to radio for any radio, because I go through so many different ones, trying them out and experiencing them. But I tell you what, I love it. I really do. And I will really use this a lot, especially days I want to go QRP. And when I travel, I want to have 2 radios. It'll be, the other radio. I mean, I'm looking at when I go to Australia in a few months, I want to get out with the battery and go, with the FT891 or whatever, go 100 watts for a while, go back to the room or whatever, put it on charge, run out, I'm going to be staying right at the beach, run out at the beach, do some QRP for an hour or 2 with that radio. So that's kind of the idea and what I want to do. New thing, if you saw it there, the little fold out table, that thing is cool. I got it on Amazon. If I can find the link, I'll put it down there. But hold it right in the palm of your hand. It fits in the bag. Everything's in the bag. It goes right in the bag with the radios or whatever. Then it folds out nice, like what's called Rio Beach or whatever. It folds out nice right on the beach, and I just set everything on it, and I sit in the chair. That's a keeper as well. No more need for a bucket now when I'm traveling with the bag. It can go there. But there you go. Challenge yourself. You know what I mean? That's really what makes you a better operator. Contests, sometimes good, sometimes bad. I've been out in QRP in the middle of a contest and just slayed it, man. Everybody was hearing me. Today, maybe not so, but it's just band conditions, crazy band conditions. I mean, Japan was freaking open this morning, whereas Europe, I could hear them, they couldn't hear me. It was kind of a funky morning, but that's what it's all about. That's the ionosphere. That's band conditions. That's, learning to be a better operator. That's really what it's all about. So I'm challenging you. Go out and do it low as you can. I know a lot of people say, well, you used to be a QRP guy. I'm still a QRP guy. I'm everything. I like to operate. I'm a DXer. I like power, lower power. I want to get out with a kilowatt on the beach. Can you imagine? Anything I can do. I just want to experience it. That's really what it's all about, being an operator and a ham radio, and enjoying the hobby is to do that. Anyway, If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. Till next time, I'm Salty Walt, K4OGO. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay salty.